Stormshield weather, certified most accurate.
Good evening, everyone. A warmer than average day again today, and because of that, we are ranked now 4th among the warmest Novembers ever. We'll probably stay in the top 5 despite some cooler weather moving in for the final day. It'll be mild again tomorrow with temperatures in the 60s. Cold front went through today. Winds are out of the west-southwest. It's not a lot colder behind this front, but it is a lot colder behind that front, and that's the front that moves through tomorrow. In fact, you can see we're in the 60s tomorrow afternoon, and then temperatures tumbling back into the 30s here by Wednesday morning, and Wednesday afternoon, just the low 50s for daytime highs. All right, this weekend, we've got 2 scenarios that are setting up. I'm going to show you both, and they could have 2 different results depending on what exactly happens. First, we'll look at the American model. You can see it's very cold here. That lifts out. We warm up toward the end of the week, closer to 60 degrees again. And then we watch this storm system as it dives into the southwest. Now watch what this one does. This one goes down toward the Baja of California and stalls there. And we get some rain, light rain. It looks like Bedlam could be wet. I'll have that forecast in just a second. But the European model, same start to the week, colder air, moves out. Here comes the storm system. Looks like it's in the same position. Drops down toward El Paso, Texas, but then watch what happens. It lifts out and comes across the area. And so in Kansas, up to about Kansas City, there could be some snow. But some of us, if this solution played out, in Osage County, Washington County, Montgomery, Chautauqua County, could see a little bit of light snow, and that would happen all the way back into western Oklahoma Sunday morning. I think the American model will be right. I do not think we'll see our first snowfall of the year this weekend. Bedlam forecast Saturday, 11:30 a.m. Light rain likely for kickoff, 46, 47 for the second half. By the end of the game, still 47 with a steady cold rain. Take the rain gear for the Bedlam game in Norman this weekend. 64 today's high, 55 the low, 55 and 34 the averages this time of the year. Clear skies right now outside. Temperature sits at 61 degrees. Dew point lower 30s. We have a west-southwest wind. Forecast tonight, dropping to 41 in Tulsa. Mostly clear. A chilly night with south winds at 5 miles an hour. Dropping down into the upper 30s at Claremore, 39 degrees. Bartlesville down to 32. Tahlequah and Stillwell, the coldest spots in our central zones, around 36. 38 at Okmulgee, 44 at Eufaula, and McAllister at 45 degrees. So tomorrow starts out chilly but dry. A few clouds around, then a south wind at 5 to 10 results in a mild middle as we're up to 60 at noon. Winds turn to the north by 3 p.m., 63, and will be clear and cool tomorrow evening about this time, 52 degrees. 62 Claremore tomorrow, Pawhuska up to 61, Coffeyville up to 61, Wagoner hit 64 ahead of that front tomorrow, Shakota up to 67, Muskogee up to 65, and Sapulpa up to 65 ahead of that front, upper 60s ahead of that front, McAllister up to 67, Henrietta to 66, and Stigler all the way up to 68 degrees. Here's the 7-day forecast, 35 Wednesday morning, then lower 50s Wednesday afternoon, near the freezing mark Thursday morning, a colder start to Thursday, a chilly day Thursday, 56, 55 on Friday. That means it'll be a cold night for the Sand Springs Parade. We'll be there Friday night. Then Saturday, 50 with a 20% chance for some rain and a 30% chance of rain on Sunday with highs around 55.